Okay guys, in this tutorial, how do you fix your HP computer no sound problems? So not only HP computers, you can follow this tutorial even for the other brands. It works. So what you're going to do is, the very first things, you're going to see this PC or my computer. Just keep a right click on it and then you're going to click on manage. So you do not see the manage over here. Click on show more options and then click on manage. So these windows will pop up. Now here we'll be clicking on device manager. Now here you have on the top you can see it's audio input and output. So click on this arrow like icon and here you have a speaker slash headphones. It's a Realtek audio. There's a multiple number of options here. So this is the microphone and this is my speaker. So if you have a problem with the sounds, the speakers in your HP laptop, you're going to select these ones. Not only HP laptops, any laptop. Give a right click on it and then you're going to click on update the drivers. What you're going to do is click on search automatically for the drivers. You can see the latest version is already installed. It will manually search for the drivers and install it if it is necessary. Click on close. So what you're going to do is, one more thing you can do is search for the update drivers on Windows updates. When you click on it, Windows update page will open. You're going to check for the update, download and install all the necessary updates. So updating the Windows will update all the necessary drivers and your issue will be fixed. If the issue still persists, what are you going to click? Give a right click on it, disable and enable the driver. So disable it. It will come up with this. Click on yes and enable it back again. Again, give a right click on it. If the issue still persists, scan for the hardware change. If the issue still persists, go to the properties, go to the driver. The rollback driver option is grayed out. You're going to roll back the driver. Previously, if your driver was working fine, new update had caused the problems. If any new update is there, you can roll back to the previous one. If the issue still persists, what you're going to do is, you're going to close this, give a right click on it and uninstall the driver. When you click on uninstall the driver, warning, you are all about to uninstall the device from your computer. So click on uninstall. So when you uninstall it, it will not delete the software from your computer, but it will only uninstall. If you have any checkbox over here, any options over here, if you have any box that you have to delete, you want to delete the software from the computer, you're going to uncheck that box because you are not deleting the software. If you're deleting the software, you have to manually download and install. So in the latest version of it's a Windows 11, I do not have such kinds of box, but in previous Windows there was. So you can follow this tutorial even for the previous version of Windows. So you can uninstall it. Currently, I'll not be uninstalling it. So if you have a problem, you uninstall it and then restart your computer. When you uninstall it and restart your computer, it will automatically install the driver again. And this should fix your issue. If the issue still persists, what you're going to do is, here have a sound like icon. Give a right click on it and then go for the properties. Sound settings. When you click on sound settings, you're going to scroll it down a little bit. And here you have more sound settings. When you click on more sound settings, you'll come up with this one. This is my external headphones. It's a speaker. Select that and click on properties. When you click on properties, now here you have advanced options. Make sure all these options is checked. If any of these options is unchecked, you're going to check these options. Now what you're going to do is, here you have a multiple number of options to choose. It's 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. Now when I test it, see, it's working. Now at the same time, when I choose other options, test it, it comes up with error. One by one, you're going to check all the options, which one is working for you. So you're going to finally set the options that is really working fine for you. And then finally click on apply and OK. So all these are the possible basic steps that you can follow for your SP device sound is not working. You can fix your sound issue. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.